Hello everyone and welcome to Zappy Productions. Today we'll do an unboxing of the 02 from 7hz. Now this is probably one of the most popular earphones, especially at this price point, because it's affordable and it sounds pretty good. Now I have tried it in the shop, I have yet to try it alone at home, and this is a brand new set as you can see. So I'll be doing an unboxing now, and then we'll try it on a few devices. I'll try it on my very old I think this is the original Walkman Z series. I forgot what's the thing. Z2, I think ZX2 or something. And this is one of them. The next, then I also try on the most high-end portable you can get today, and that is with the M17 and the really good, Mesh Kobo 475. Now without wasting time, let's unbox this 02 and let's take a listen at it, especially in the comfort of my own home, which is pretty different. I mean, let's try it out. Now the packaging is very simple, it seems. This is about it. You can see here, this is the packaging. This is the 02 here. You can take a look here. This is the earphones. And then it comes with the cables and of course various tips. Now the tips are really interesting. I mean, they come in variety of colors and shapes and sizes. Now for my ears, normally I have to take the smallest tip, so I'm not sure. Let me take a look here. Okay, there are smaller tips. Let me try it out. Yeah, so you can see that this is a small tip. Okay, I have changed the tips. Now this is the 02, as you can see here, with the new tips. These are the smaller ones that I can fit on. You can see, actually, I have to say that this version here, which is the black one, looks way nicer than the translucent. The translucent looks really cheap. This one looks pretty good. I actually quite like how it looks, and especially with the front metal plate, it actually looks pretty nice. Okay, now let's take out the cable and try out. Now, obviously, this is a very affordable earphone, so don't expect too much. This is the basic cable that comes with it. It's a very thin cable, and it's fine. And then, you just have to plug it in and use. And this is purely single-ended. I mean, you could try using a balance, but that's for another time. So let's plug this in. Oh. Right, left, right. Yeah. Okay, I have plugged in the cable and that is pretty much it. So this is the 02, and it doesn't really have much to talk about. The packaging was really simple, as you can see. The tips are still all around with multiple different colors, and that's really about it. There's nothing too special about this 02. I mean, considering the price of it. So without wasting time, let's listen to it. Now first, I will listen using my this very old player here. This is, I believe, the ZX2, I've forgotten. But you only accept single-ended, so let's not waste time with it, and let's try it out. Okay, so I have tried the song with the ZX2. This is the song Ibarra, which is something I really love to listen. Now, with this song, I feel that, firstly, the bass itself, not the most impactful type, but there is good amount of like sub bass. You do feel some of the texture in the bass itself. Now for the mids, I think they are quite good, quite clear. I would say as the mids itself is not like the most bodied mids, but I think it's pretty nice. It's quite even. Now in the highs itself, well, for Ibarra, not much highs to it, so it sounds okay. But I did notice that in the lower treble or in the upper mids, there is some sibilance there. So I think there is some peak there, but it's very minor. I mean, this is nowhere irritating, and I think I can pretty much enjoy it, because Ibarra, this song is actually quite prone to sibilance, especially for the vocals. Sounds pretty okay with me though, and that is with the smallest tip, and I pretty much enjoy the song. So now let's hear it on like the best player I have here. So I'm going to hear the same sound again on this. This is the Mesh Kobo and the M17. And the M17, you should know, is double ESS, flagship for the Fio series. And then the Mesh Kobo is well known to have really nice sound. The soundstage on the Mesh Kobo is just fantastic, and it's very light. You know, I've done the review on it. I do not quite agree that it's like a super full-bodied amp, but it's really nice and light and airy, and that's really good for this kind of J-pop type of song, anime songs, which benefits from it. So without wasting time, let's try it out. Okay, so I've heard it with this setup here. Now the setup here, there is some improvement. Firstly, I think the bass is much cleaner and tighter now, and also I think the soundstage is slightly bigger. Now the sound also sounds a little bit more neutral. Just now the ZX2 here was a little bit more warm and thicker sounding. Well, this is a bit more lighter sounding, more neutral sounding. I mean, personal preference on which is the preferred sound, but I think this is pretty okay. I do enjoy it. Now with this, earphones and the amp, there was no hiss. I did not notice any issues playing this. The amount of volume required is really little. I mean, just take a look here. This is just like a slight turn. You see, this is the minimum, and this is pretty much all I need to drive these earphones to good volume. So overall, I think I do quite enjoy the sound. It's really nice, neutral sounding with this amp. Relatively nice soundstage, surprisingly. The bass could be tighter. I mean, compared to the higher end earphones, could be tighter. But I think that this may be the better Zero versus all other Zeros. I mean, there's a Zero Red, which I also own, and this is like the Zero 2. I think this is nicer. I think the Zero Red felt a little bit muffled to me versus this one. So pretty much I think this is it. Now in terms of form and fit, I think with this smaller tip here that you can see, it does go into my ear really nicely, does hold and seals really well. I do get the full bass and the sound, and also I did read some reviews online that say that if this is not properly sealed, you will get a bit of sibilance, especially if you are at the end of the canal. Now for me, I managed to push it quite deep, don't have any issues. Now I have yet to do a long-term wearing, of course. Maybe this will get loose and stuff, and then I have more sibilance. I hate sibilance, and this one sounds pretty okay to me. I mean, really bearable with the song Ibarra. And now that's about it. This is the box opening and initial impression of the Zero 2 here. I got it at a really, really good price. I mean, no discount for me. I bought it retail. This is like 33 Sing dollars. So if you convert to USD, somewhere along the line of 24, 25 USD. Really affordable earphones and sounds really, really good. I'm very happy about it. In fact, I'll highly recommend anybody to try it out. It sounds awesome. I mean, if this was 10 years ago when I first started my audio hobby, this would have cost $500 or $1,000, and probably people will still get it because it sounds that good. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.